Parkpnp is an online marketplace for parking. It's a global problem and we're here to solve it. So what we do is we have an app and an online website that allows people to list their spaces, be it residential, a homeowner like yourself, the space in front of your home or underneath your apartment complex. We work with hotels and car park operators or any business open during the week and maybe not open on the weekends. So you can list your space and we allow you to then make money because we advertise the space and people can then book it, normally at a saving. Yeah, so South by Southwest is fantastic, the weather's good, people are great, the atmosphere is just electric. There's a parking nightmare, there's people driving around outside, can't find parking. So Parkpnp would be perfect here. So there's people even here that are like, wow, what a great product, what a great idea. And that's huge for us and we have global ambition. So this is where we want to be. I have to say Enterprise Ireland have been fantastic from day one. The whole event is organised incredibly well. We're getting to meet the right people. And yeah, we've been able to attract the calibre of people that's phenomenal and it's on a global scale. So yeah, fantastic Enterprise Ireland. Can't wait till next year.